Hi guys, I'm currently here at East Legon Hills to showcase to you this elegant, wonderful 3-bedroom house for sale. Now, for all you know, this house is currently on the market. We have the last one left. The one on the left is gone. We have this right one, which is currently going for 1.5 million Ghana cedis. Yes, 1.5 million Ghana cedis. And as you can see, a very beautiful house. We'll be taking a tour around the house, the perimeter of the house, for you to see the space around it. Then this is the pergola. The pergola with a sitting area and a little bit of a cutting with soil and plant to allow for future flowering. It's really a spacious compound, as you can see. So currently, let's try and go around the house and see the space. Yes, there's a bit of a space. No matter which size you are, you can be able to go around the house. Now, this is the ladder that allows you to go to the top and check for any issues or whatever it is. And then we have the space here. This is supposed to be the kitchen exit, and we also have the water reservoir, for water storage. In Ghana, this is a common thing. I mean, water reservoirs are everywhere. So yes, currently we are back at the compound, and so we still have that's a beautiful house. Very good white and gray to match. I like the blend. Spotlight in front at the corridor, and now entering, you have this spacious area. It's really spacious, I must admit. You have the POP, and then we have this curtains with light blue and other and gold white, and that's the kitchen. We'll come back to the kitchen. And so this is the master bedroom. The master bedroom, we have the very spacious. That's a CCTV with a monitor, and the installations, everything is done. You could see outside and everything like that. And that's the wardrobe. The master bedroom comes with a wardrobe. And then we have the washroom. You have a stand bath, water heater, wash basin. Then we also have this smart home security system, which is infused in this house. And that's the kitchen. The kitchen area, quite an open kitchen, microwave, cooker, oven, everything there. We also have water heaters installed there. Yes, so an island too. And then that's the storage for the kitchen. I really love this kitchen. Now we have 2 rooms here. We'll come to that. And this is the visitors washroom. Visitors washroom. And then you also have the first room on the left. This is also, we have the wardrobe, and we have a sizable amount of space. Connections have been done. CCTV, everything is done in there. And then that's the washroom. Washroom is just like the but this is what it is. Yeah. And then we also have the second bedroom on the right. The second bedroom, just a repetition of what we saw at the other side. Yes, so wardrobe space, and then we also have the washroom with a basin. Yeah, so that's the house. That's a 3-bedroom house pitched right here at East Legon Hills. If you are interested, you know what to do. Just give me a call and we can organize for a viewing. Thank you very much.